To Mr. Dongle's channel. It's Monday, February 8th, 2021, approximately 1:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Congratulations to all who have held Bitcoin throughout this process. Today we will be going over prices, price predictions, and some news articles of certain major corporations that have implemented FUD. And what is FUD? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt into the minds of everyday people like you and I. Very important. We want to ensure that you are very well informed. This is not financial advice, and we do this for entertainment purposes only. As always, you can feel free to hit that like, dislike, comment, and subscribe button on your way in or on your way out as you please. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Bitcoin this morning reached a new all-time high of $44,900. If you see previous videos of mine here on this channel, you'll see that I predicted this by the end of the month, so we have to do a price correction as it went ahead of what we thought. My new price prediction for the personal opinion of Bitcoin's price for the end of February 2021 will have to be $50,000. At this rate, our level was $44,000. We exceeded it by $900. So I will be taking a look at analysis, and I will be doing another video when it comes to that. As for Ethereum, we still stand that by Valentine's Day. Really, we've said by the 12th, which I thought was Valentine's Day, and I don't think it is, but anyways, by the 12th of February, we'd be at $2,000, a little bit up over it or a little bit under it. Without further ado, let's see what the news had to say. On January 11th, 2021, a writer for CNN Business, Paul R. LaMonica, said, Bitcoin plunges more than 20% in 3 days, and it's now in a bear market. This is the definition of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You must be very careful when listening to these large corporations, these large news outlets who are really spreading lies. I mean, that's a lie. That's not a bear market. They have no financial data to prove a bear market, as it's a price correction, and it was an opportunity to create and build up more of a reserve, with your current Bitcoin holdings. What does that mean? Well, simple. If you are a person, that are buying maybe $20, $30 a week of Bitcoin, you see this, maybe you've put $2,000-3,000 into Bitcoin, and you're like, oh my God, bear market, you're going to see it, panic and sell. Have you asked yourself why Binance.us, Coinbase Pro, Gemini, a lot of these trading platforms did not crash today? Because these big businesses did exactly what they set out to do. According to entrepreneur.com, they made an article on January 25th, 2021. They don't have a direct person who wrote it, but it's their entrepreneurial staff, said Bitcoin may never go above $40,000 again. Again, spreading FUD, and that was just roughly 2 weeks ago. And if we go to our friends overseas, FCA warns crypto investors could lose all their money after Bitcoin dips again. Now, let's signal out the biggest differences from what we're experiencing today to what we experienced in 2017 and in previous bull markets. Bitcoin is being massively adopted. People are holding on to their Bitcoin. People are trading as well. They're leverage trading, which I don't do, and I don't recommend anybody do because it's very risky and you can get your head knocked off and lose everything really fast. But most importantly, Bitcoin is continually growing. What did I say 2 or 3 days ago in one of the videos before? I said Bitcoin can continue this gradual upswing, and it's going to do corrections. We just hit a new all-time high, $44,900. Mind you, people are going to take profits. It's normal. It's healthy. We can see a correction down to, $30,000 again. Does it mean Bitcoin's crashing? No. We are in the middle of the most historic run in history right now. We are with a total cryptocurrency market cap currently at $1.3 trillion. Assets have increased over 10% over the last 24 hours. And that number is a little bit less because, as you can see, over the last hour, we've gone down a bit. ADA is on the way to $1. We still believe that this coin has a lot of potential to reach $1 by a few days from today. We predicted that it would be on Wednesday. Let's see how it goes. And that's the same thing with Ethereum. A lot of people are bashing different people's opinions on Ethereum. Well, Ethereum also has that power. Ethereum's also jumped, literally almost $1,000 in 2 to 3 days. When we had that big jump from 500 to 1,000, you guys remember that. So what's one of the things that you can do to better protect yourself from not getting shaken out? Well, number one, don't put more money than you're willing to lose so you have peace of mind. And number two, remember, this is a speculative market still. As much money is being made, as many people are involved, it is a speculative market. However, this is like the .com era, and the cryptocurrency is here to stay. Again, the views reflected on this channel are my personal opinion, but just want to let you know that in my personal opinion, all this is here to stay. We've monitored Bitcoin, we've monitored Ethereum, we've monitored Cardano, we've monitored LTC, which is Litecoin, Chainlink, Dogecoin, XLM, BCH, Aave. We've monitored, SNX. Now let's talk about a very, very important coin. And that's going to be VET. VET is still at an incredible price of 0.029. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but on a series of videos back, I commented on DNT, and I would always say DNT, DNT. DNT, after its first leg up, it went up to 19, then it tested 10 cents. It didn't go under 10 cents. Why is that? Because it's setting its new higher lows and higher highs. So the prices you see today, we may never see again. The prices that we saw a few weeks ago, we will never see again probably. Will there come a time where the market's down? Of course. But we're literally in the middle of the most important bull market in history, because this defines the success of cryptocurrency in this bull run. If this bull run were to fail, then cryptocurrency as a whole, in my personal opinion, would have failed. But because of the tremendous success it has, the innovative technology that's in Ethereum, VeChain, Cosmos, so many different coins, I would literally have to be here, weeks to explain each coin. There is so much benefit. Look at GRT, $1. Let's see if new cipher LRC 66 cents. At the 30-cent challenge that we did a couple of weeks ago, you would have doubled your money. And remember, not financial advice, just going a little by little. Look at Mana, 23 cents. We've been pushing this since 9 cents. Let's see if I can pull up new cipher real quick. New cipher, 53 cents. 10% in the last 24 hours. It's going to continue to rise. So, in essence and in conclusion, I want you guys to A, do what's best for you, B, not listen to all the negativity around. There's going to be a lot of propaganda tactic and marketing, public relations to further down and throw false information or just negative overall information about the crypto space. And people are going to listen to it and others aren't. I bet you there's at least 15% of people that when those articles came out sold, that today are very upset and can't get back in because they took tremendous losses. They bought when it was at 40,000 and sold at 30,000. And that's a hard pill to swallow. So We tell you with lots of love from here, from Mr. Dungles, the crew, we want to tell you guys always, do your research, do your market analysis, do what's best for you, and very importantly, never put more than what you're willing to lose. If you have a gut feeling, stick with your gut feeling. How many people have lost out on opportunities of missing out maybe hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars, if not millions, by, making incorrect decisions or not following their hearts or not following their gut? And last but not least, there's nothing wrong with taking profits. It's a healthy thing to take profits. Because if you take profits and continue to reinvest those profits at the dips, you're going to have more. But if you just take profits and, invest a little bit more, you're still making money. And at the end of the day, most people are in the crypto space to make money and to hedge against inflation. So let's go over real quick and talk about price predictions, which is what most of you guys have clicked here. And if you're still listening, this is awesome. Bitcoin's price prediction by the end of February. So by the end of February are going to be all the predictions I say today. So that's the last day of February of 2021. Bitcoin, in my opinion, will be at or about or over $50,000. Ethereum will be at about or over $2,300. Cardano should be over $1. Polkadot should be at $30. Litecoin should be at $200. Litecoin should be at over $30. Dogecoin, I'm going to reserve the right to not give a price prediction right now because I'm making a video on Dogecoin, but let's just say to the moon. XLM, we strongly believe and anticipate that XLM will be at probably 54 cents, 53 cents around there. Bitcoin Clash by the end of this month should be nearing that $500, if not more, range. VET, we've said we feel that any moment could break out, and it should be at around 10 cents. We highly anticipate that coming true. GRT should be at about $1.10, or maybe even fluctuate here at that dollar where it's at right now. Ethereum Classic could rise a couple of dollars. Remember, it had that nice jump to $15 a couple of weeks ago, maybe even a month ago, and then it's, just traded sideways. Remember, though, Ethereum Classic has gone from $47.77 to $8, so there's a lot of room to go from previous all-time highs. As always, it's a pleasure. It's Mr. Dungles, and I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. Follow me on all my platforms, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. Thank you guys, and God bless.